This makeup look is so simple that you can even wear this to work. Let's do a quick Diwali party makeup. Hi guys, this is Zeba. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. तो शुरू करते हैं मेकअप. मैंने ऑलरेडी अपना CTM रूटीन कर लिया था एज एन क्लेंजिंग, टोनिंग, मॉइस्चराइजिंग एंड सनस्क्रीन ऑफ कोर्स. फिर अपनी स्किन को प्रेप करने के लिए मैंने प्राइमर भी लगाया था एंड आई हैव यूज्ड द इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स पोर मिनिमाइजर प्राइमर. देन आई एम अप्लाइंग फाउंडेशन एंड मैं डायरेक्टली फाउंडेशन लगा रही हूँ बिना कलर करेक्शन किए, इसलिए मैं अपने स्किन टोन का एग्जैक्ट मैच लगा रही हूँ. एज इन दिस फाउंडेशन शेड इज माई ट्रू मैच, लाइक इट इज नॉट इवन वन शेड लाइटर देन माई ओन स्किन टोन. द फाउंडेशन दैट आई हैव यूज्ड हियर इज द पिलग्रिम सीरम फाउंडेशन एंड आई एम इन द शेड 325 रिच कैरामल. तो मैंने इसको डॉट डॉट करके लगा लिया, उसके बाद फिर ब्रश से इसे ब्लेंड कर लिया एंड टू मेक श्योर दैट देयर इज़ नो एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट ऑन माय फेस, मैंने एक स्पॉन्ज लिया एंड उससे टैप टैप किया अपने पूरे फेस पे और जो भी एक्सेस फाउंडेशन रहा होगा वो मेरे स्पॉन्ज में आ गया. देन आई एम सेटिंग माय फाउंडेशन यूजिंग द मेबेलिन फिट मी कॉम्पैक्ट इन द शेड नेचुरल बफ. देन मैं लगा रही हूँ एक मॉवी शेड का ब्लश. दिस इज फ्रॉम द पॉप एक्सो फेस पैलेट एंड द वेरिएंट इज हॉट डैम. बिकॉज आई हैव ऑयली स्किन, I am only using a powder blush, but if you have dry skin, I would suggest you to go for a cream or liquid blush. And then I am applying highlighter, again a powder highlighter on the high points of my face like my cheeks and then the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead and my brow bone as well, and also the inner corner of my eyes. And make sure to keep a very light hand at highlighter if you're using it for a daytime purpose. And also let me tell you that the highlighter that I have used is from the same Pop Exo face palette and I am using an eyeshadow from the same palette. This is again a dark mauve shade of eyeshadow and I am applying it all over my crease as well as the outer V of my eyes. And yeah, make sure to blend it very nicely. I'm using a huge fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. And then since we are doing a party makeup look, so we do need a pop of color or shimmer, and that's why I'm using this beautiful eyeshadow, this shimmer eyeshadow from the same palette, and I have applied it all over my eyelids excluding the outer V part. And then I have highlighted the inner corner using the same highlighter that I have used for my face. Then I have applied a thick coat of mascara using the Reach Mask Fabulash mascara and I have applied it both on my upper as well as lower lashes. And then I am tight lining my eyes using a black kohl pencil. This is the Swiss Beauty Select Black Kohl and I'm not being very precise because anyways we are going to smudge it. And yeah, I'm using the back of this kohl pencil to smudge my eyeliner, as in the very not so precise eyeliner that we have applied, and I'm trying to make a wing out of it. That's it. Technically we are done with the eyes. Now the next part would be my lips, and for the lips I have used a gorgeous lip liner, a dark brown lip liner from again Swiss Beauty, and the shade is dark chocolate. You can use any lip liner according to your own skin tone. Like for the lip liner, go for a shade that is at least 2 shades darker than your own skin tone. And then I have diffused the lip liner using my fingers. This step ensures that there's no harsh line when you're applying your lipstick. And for lipstick I have chosen the Swiss Beauty Select Here to Stay Kiss Proof lipstick in the shade Nudist Love. And as you can clearly see, this lipstick was so gorgeous, as in the formulation is super nice. It feels very light on the skin and yeah, it doesn't even crack or is, yeah, it's super smooth. But the one thing that I didn't like about this one is that the shade, it's definitely not my shade. To make this shade work, I'm actually using the same lip liner that we have used to line our lips earlier to sort of create an ombre effect, and I'm applying the lip liner on the outer part of my lips and then smudging it inwards with my fingers to make sure that the color pops. And girls, if you do have a nude lipstick that you were very excited about and you got it and then you couldn't apply it because it did not suit your own skin tone, so in that case you can simply use this technique of using a darker shade of lipstick or a lip liner to make sure you can create an ombre effect and it will still look super good. And that's it, we are done with this makeup. Just look how demure, how mindful this makeup look is, and it's super easy, looks extremely elegant. So if you like this makeup look and this video was helpful to you in any way, then please hit the like button. Do share this video with your friends and family, and also please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, you take care. I love you guys so much.